Welcome to my channel. In this video, I would like to design a water tank using Fusion 360. A line is blue as long as it is not fully constrained. Once it is constrained, it turns black. First, I would like to write the title. Water tank. I save. Then I write the first component. I call it tank. Then the sketch. Line. Then I choose the plane. I draw a line. I draw a vertical line. I draw a horizontal line. Then my line, I want it to be 25 millimeters. Then I want the vertical line and this point to be coincident. I do the same for these two. I want the line to be at 25 millimeters from the horizontal line. I draw an arc. Then I want this this point to be at 25 millimeters from the vertical line. And the same point, I want it to be at 25 millimeters from the horizontal line. And this point, I want it is at 35 millimeters from the vertical line. The radius 48 and something. And I want to copy using mirror. I choose the geometries, then I confirm, then I offset these geometries 3 millimeters. Then I want to cut the extra lines, small lines there. I cut this one, and the other side I do the same. Then I join these 2 points, drawing a line. I do the same this side also, a line joining these 2 points so that my profile can be closed. I finish the sketch. Then I want to revolve these 2 profiles. I choose the axis, then I confirm. This is my temp. I change the view to isometric view. I need a component. I call it support. I confirm. Then I click on P for projection. I choose the geometry, the circle. I confirm. I move. Then I draw a circle. I draw a line. I check if there is a problem there. It's okay. I draw another line, 7 millimeters. I continue to draw the lines. I want this one to be parallel to the first one. I draw the lines, draw one line. I draw a vertical line. Then I offset this line 5 millimeters. Then I start deleting the extra, the line that I don't need. Then I want to copy using mirror. I choose the object and the last one. I select mirror line. I confirm. And this is my profile, the sketch. I finish the sketch. For the support, now I want to extrude 7 millimeters. I confirm. I move, I change the view. Now I want to move the support. I choose the direction. Then I want to move it 25 millimeters to the left. Then I move it again. I choose the direction, but I forgot to create a copy. Then I move it again. I choose the direction. I want to move it to the left, 43 millimeters. No, to the left. I go back to isometric view. Then you see the support. Then I need I want to offset the plan 25 millimeters. Now I want to create another component. I call it top. Confirm. Now the sketch circles. Now I have to choose the plan. I choose this plan here. And I start drawing the circles. The first one is 14 millimeters of diameter. The second, 20 millimeters of diameter. And the last one, 26 millimeters of diameter. I go back to isometric view. Come back to front view, back to isometric. I finish the sketch. Now I want to extrude the first profile, going down 25 millimeters. Then I need the sketch once again. I want to extrude the second profile, going down 25 millimeters. Then this time it is to join, not to cut. I confirm. And then I extrude the last profile, going down 3 millimeters only. Front view. Now I want to check what is inside the tank using section analysis. As you can see, there are something inside the tank. So I have to get rid of it. So I want to draw a rectangle. Sketch, line, and then I choose the plan. And then this one. Donc I want to hide the tank so that I can draw easily. First, the width, this 22 millimeters. The width must be 22 millimeters of length, which is 25 minus 3. Then draw another line, and the last one to complete a rectangle. Then I need the tank. Then I finish the sketch. Now I want to revolve the rectangle, not to extrude, but to revolve, revolve. I choose the profile, then the X, I have to choose this axis. Not this one. Then I go to isometric view. Once again, I select the profile, the axis, there it is. Then I cut. I check once again what is inside the tank using section analysis. I choose the plan. As you can see, there's nothing inside the tank. I cancel. I don't need the sketch anymore. I go back to front view, isometric view. Now I want to change the appearance of my tank and the support. I select green for for the tank and red for the support. Then I close this dialog of the appearance. Front view. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click on subscribe and like.